Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and today we will recap the day's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from insiderfinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And some of these stocks are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Register, deposit $100, and get up to 6 to 12 free stocks, guys. Well, guys, Christmas has come early for small cap traders this year. Just wow, look at today's runners. VVOS up 833%, CYTO up 180%, PACI up 148%, YOSH up 93%, and CDT up 72%. YOSH, we put on your radar screen last night. Just a 4.6 million share float, we said. Lots of social media chatter. Chart was prime for a big move, and we got that. So congrats to all that were watching the video and caught the move. Even better, if you were watching our Sunday night video, we had two big winners from the Sunday night video. First up is CDT. Covered that in the Sunday night video. We said that the chart was forming a rounding bottom, looked prime for a move, for a big move. It opened Monday at $2 and hit $6.50 today for potential gains of 225%. Not bad for just 3 days. RDHL is even better. Opened Monday at 70 cents and hit $3.28 today for potential gains of 368%. Congrats to all who watched and are banking. On RDHL, the FDA granted 5 years market exclusivity for Talicia under the Generating Antibiotic Incentives Now Act qualified infectious disease product designation. The grant is on top of the 3 years exclusivity, which came with the approval of Talicia. Talicia is indicated for the treatment of a bacterial infection in adults, which is a common type of bacterial infection that attacks the lining in the stomach. The Talicia is protected by its broad intellectual property suite to 2034, according to RDHL. And then CDT, this one is float of just 380,000 shares. So again, low floats, shorts, high short interest plays. This is what we're focused on, and this is what is moving. VVOS rallied today after the medtech firm gained its first ever FDA 510K clearance for oral device treatment of severe obstructive sleep apnea. The clearance is backed by statistically significant data obtained from 73 severe OSA patients using the VIVOS removable care, complete airway repositioning, and or expansion oral appliances. The data showed that 80% of patients experience an improvement of at least one classification, or at least a 50% improvement in the apnea-hypopnea index, and 97% of patients improved or stayed the same. Kirk Huntsman, the chairman and CEO of VIVOS, said, "This achievement is a pivotal milestone for VIVOS and elevates our proven treatment options right into the mainstream of sleep medicine. This latest approval comes just 11 months after the FDA granted VIVOS 510K clearance for the DNA oral appliance to treat mild to moderate OSA. It also marks the first time that the regulator has granted an oral appliance a clearance to treat moderate and severe OSA in adults 18 years of age and older." VVOS Care appliances include the flagship DNA oral appliance, the mRNA oral appliance, and the mmRNA oral appliance. The big reason for the big move today and why so much, just a 1 million share float. Again, low floats are the where to be. CYTO, just an 8.78 million share float. The company gained after announced that it regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum stockholder equity requirements and closed on a previously announced deal to sell 51% of its Altamira Medica subsidiary. Altamira announced both developments in SEC filings last week. The company sold the stake in Altamira Medica, which markets an OTC nasal spray for allergic rhinitis called Bentrio for around $2.3 million. The deal closed on November 21st. Altamira said that the Nasdaq will continue to monitor the company for ongoing compliance with its stockholder equity requirement. The next review will be performed at the publication of the company's year-end balance sheet filing, currently scheduled for early April. So the company got a reprieve, so a lot happening there, and that's why for the big move, up 180% today. PACI was up 148%. The company the stockholders approved its previously announced business combination with Volato. Volato is a leading private aviation company in the United States. Again, approximately 97% of the votes cast at this special meeting were cast in favor of the approval of the business combination. Closing expected to occur by Friday. Following the closing, the publicly listed company will be renamed Volato Group Inc., and its shares of Class A common stock are expected to begin trading on the NYSE American under the symbol SOAR. Moving on, next up is Gamestop. Talked about this one last night, up 20%. Investors are rushing back into the retail stock ahead of its earnings report next week. Notably, options volume has spiked on GameStop this week. The December 8th call with a strike price of $20 saw volume of over 20,000 contracts on Tuesday, and the December 1st call with a strike price of $13 had volume of over 13,000 contracts. Piper Sandler options expert Daniel Kirsch said the GME trade brings back memories of the meme craze, albeit at a much smaller magnitude. We shall see if the earnings report next week is great. Who knows what this thing can do. We've seen, I was there trading during the meme craze, so it was absolutely nuts. And we're seeing these moves. VVOS up 833%. Small caps are hot right now, so anything can happen. Let's see. Even after the two-day rally, we rallied Tuesday and today, GameStop is still down more than 20% on a year-to-date basis. STEM, talked about this one last night, up 7% today. 28% of the float is short. Oh, going back to GameStop, remember, 22% of the float is still short. So that's what we're looking at there. Talked about SBB. PB last night, insider buying after this drop on earnings, CEO buying right around here, so this is putting this on as a longer term play. ARMN, talked about this one, just up fractionally. Great board, Ian Telford, chairman of the board. This is a gold miner with gold back above 2,000. It pays to start watching some junior miners. SOFI, been covering this one since 650. We rallied, but we ran right into trendline resistance here and the 50 and the 200-day moving average. We get above today's high. We got as high as 773. I think we're in the all clear. So we're running into trendline resistance. There's a trend line right here that I'm watching. Again, that's the resistance we're running into. So next few days are going to be make or break for SOFI. A few names, also tops. This tells you that small caps are back when you see top stock running. I mean, this has just been a dilution pig, just an absolute nightmare. But whenever small caps get hot, tops always pops. It's just like clockwork. So this is another reason to be bullish. Some new stocks on my radar. MOTS, 22% of the float is short, just a 530,000 share float. So this one, nice day today, up 26%. I think this is going to get on some traders scanners, and we could see more upside. TUP, this is a big winner from the summer that we covered, up 15% today. 25% of the float is short. So again, the reason I'm putting these stocks on your radar is that a lot of things, when stocks get hot like they are, people start scanning, looking for these types of plays, and next thing you know, they're running. So what I want you to do, what we're trying to do here at Insider Financial, is put these stocks on your radar. Remember, play green, not red. We're not dip buying small caps. I don't care what anyone says. Play the momentum, ride that wave, get in, get out, move on to the next play. Don't fall in love with any of these small caps. What else? Had a few more that I want to talk. Two more I want to talk about here. First up is EVGO and SGHT. Both had SGHT has insider buying, like a $1.5 million buy by a director. Again, this one's way down from 52-week highs, rounding, but making the turn up here. I think this one is worth putting on your radar screen. EVGO. This is another short squeeze plays. 22% of the float is short. So watching this one here. A couple of analyst calls. First up is MVST. Cantor initiated with a buy and an $8 price target. Stock is $1.17. That's what's got me interested. RKLB, Bank of America, slaps a buy rating and a $10 price target on RKLB. Stock here at $4.39. A potential double. So watching that one. BMEA was the big runner today. Hit my scanner today. Up 28%. Pulled back here towards the close. Overall bullish day, but I didn't like the close. If you're trading this one, use a trailing stop. If we break under 12, that's indeed bearish. But the Citi slapped a $90 price target. That's an almost 800% potential upside on BMEA, and 29% of the float is short. So that's what's got me interested in BMEA. Be watching this one over the next couple of days. Lastly, WHLR, shout out for commenting. Greg Mastro, 3672, he asked 3 days ago. Again, please leave a comment below if you have any potential short squeeze plays you want us to cover. We read all comments. Congrats to Greg. This one's up 40%. So again, these short squeeze plays are working right now. And then, speaking of our alerts, we sent out an alert this afternoon, on a Nasdaq AI stock with just a 4.36 million float and trading under $4 a share. You never know if we see something coming across our desk. That's why it's so important. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. And again, it works for all numbers worldwide. To get our report on this AI stock, click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And at Insider Financial, what we're doing here is putting stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is an solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.